Hello everyone, welcome to MCQs for Judiciary Exams. Question number 1. Service of notice under section 35 of the BNSS 2023 is crucial because option A, it ensures the presence of the investigating officer. Option B, it protects the accused's rights to legal representation. Option C, non-compliance may seriously impact an individual's liberty. And option D, it simplifies the documentation process for arrest. The correct answer is option C. In Satinder Kumar Antil versus Central Bureau of Investigation, Section 35 of the BNSS requires that a notice be served in a manner that safeguards the substantive rights of an individual. If the notice is not properly served, it can severely affect the liberty of the individual involved. Non-compliance or improper service of the notice may result in the individual being deprived of their legal rights and could have drastic consequences such as unlawful detention or violation of due process rights. Question number 2. Which of the following is true regarding road safety? Option A, the state is not responsible for road safety. Option B, road safety is a part of right to life under Article 21. Option C, private contractors are solely responsible. And option D, the state can abdicate responsibility to private contractors. The correct answer is option B. In the case of Umri Pratapar, Tollways Private Limited versus MP Road Development Corporation and another, the court emphasized that the state is duty-bound to ensure the safety of roads as a part of the right to life under Article 21 of the Indian Constitution. The right to life is a fundamental right which includes the provision of safe and motorable roads. Question number 3. When is an immovable property sold in execution of a decree demand to have vested in the purchaser? Option A, when the sale becomes absolute. Option B, from the time property is sold. Option C, when the purchaser receives possession. And option D, after the payment of the full sale amount. The correct answer is option B. As per Section 65 of the Civil Procedure Code, when immovable property is sold in execution of a decree and the sale becomes absolute, the property is deemed to have vested in the purchaser from the time it is sold, not from when the sale becomes absolute. Question number 4. Which article declares that law inconsistent with fundamental rights shall be void? Option A, Article 13. Option B, Article 14. Option C, Article 19. And option D, Article 32. The correct answer is option A. Article 13 of the Indian Constitution states that any law that is inconsistent with or derogates from the fundamental rights shall be considered void. It provides the mechanism for judicial review of laws to ensure that they do not violate the fundamental rights guaranteed by the Constitution. Question number 5. The expression cause of action denotes option A, a bundle of essential facts necessary for plaintiff to prove. Option B, an important subject of litigation. Option C, a point in question. And option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option A. In legal terms, cause of action refers to the set of facts that, if proven by the plaintiff, would establish their right to relief and support their claim in court against the defendant. It's the time for practice question. The old Parliament building of India will now be known as option A, Puratan Sadan, option B, Samvidhan Sadan, option C, Sansad Bhavan, and option D, Central Vista. Pin down your answers in the comment section below.